What's up, you guys? So today we're finally gonna do the muffler install, possibly delete the cats, put straight pipes in on the Camaro, on the Catfish. So stay tuned. We also got a new build. Can't show you guys yet. It's 22s, 5x114.3, 5 love. But we gotta get this hot rod, this bike taken out. So let's get this done. I've never started this thing, by the way. Don't mind my light, but sound test.
I miss having the work homies that like you work with and then
yeah,
like.
all mine were grown ass and like.
You hear these conversations?
Hey.
I miss seeing you. Although with the others and they also, you can call me Aunt Peggy. You can call me. I'm not gonna call you on nothing. But okay.
All right, y'all. So here it is. The Borla ATAK.
Yes, sir.
Out. That side to the end. Got your boy JJ3
Yeah,
with us.
good.
Some extra pipe right there. So when I got the car, it was already cut like that. So we're gonna have to make shit work. Now, eventually, I want to take care of all this damn rust.
Got the nice, beautiful welder over here. Handy dandy. Well, it's just this one part where the stem is. It's fucking pissing me off. What'd I tell you?
This that shit that I'm talking about.
Let me see it.
Fucking weirdo.
Yeah, just a little bit. It'll be all right.
The only one I like that has been through.
You want to smoke? Yeah, huh? Because you're doing homework.
Oh wait, did you need help with this? This is what I was supposed to be doing. What do you have to do? Questions 5, 6, 16, 5.
Is this really gonna fucking be like this
Just
right
wait for
now?
those 2 months.
This shit really will not stay.
Let me look at it real quick.
Once I pass that part.
Fuck.
Fuck, what are you doing anymore? I'm not even doing anything.
Me, I'm a cookie scout. Her, I'm over here. Me, damn her cookie down.
Bro, I can't wait to hear how this bitch is gonna sound.
You said you can't wait for what?
To hear how this fucking muffler is gonna sound?
Is this gonna affect your guys' video if I play the music?
Kinda, yeah. Copyright.
Like Jocelyn said, I'll just fast forward the whole thing.
Yeah, we could.
Is that okay, or do you guys want to talk through it?
I don't care.
We don't usually talk to her. We usually just like fast forward through like this stuff and
See?
everything. Yeah.
Or you just, you know,
Stems all the time. The stems prevent it from sticking down.
oh, trust me, I'm already knowing.
Fucking motherfucker. Get Sherry out the middle.
What's the address, y'all?
Yeah, I got that shit memorized yet.
No.
What in the hell's wrong with you? Keep it warm. No, every time you play that song, you change.
Because they're not gonna. Okay, you know it's on our lives tonight, Jasmine?
Every time.
Because.
Oh.
Okay, after the song, I'm gonna turn it back. Let's be sure. The one I.
Or you can always do like.
Yeah, I'm helping Jocelyn with her. We're about to do her live. I'm helping her with her stats, and then John and Alex are doing the video. They're doing a video for the YouTube. He's doing his exhaust right now. Jocelyn, tell Jocelyn. She's the one that got the good camera. She got to finish up her homework first. I'm not peeling my baby hairs. I just twisted my shit up. What are you talking about? What does he want?
Hey, well,
He
you,
needs a retwist?
damn, I need to tack this
You need
exactly
to
right here. Fucking, we have
You took them all the way out?
turn the welder on right here.
So what do you want? Yeah, I'm about to. Yep. Yeah, just send me his number or something, and then I'm gonna send him that, and then I'm gonna send you the link to the cars. Yep. All right, love you too.
But if you're gonna do a part where you talk,
What he's doing down there, pretty much, he has an adapter piece that he has to cut and get it to fit exactly in the original exhaust that he has, because the way that the exhaust was originally kind of has a bend and it kind of bends down, so he has to fit a piece exactly, and he just finished tack welding that piece in, as you guys saw in the video there. So just wanted to break it down for you guys wondering. Hope you guys are liking this video. Hey, before we keep going, make sure you guys smash this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification. You can see the next videos that come out, y'all. Hit that notification. Let's get it. So there's that little tack he had to put in the original. There's the tack right there. You see that brown? That's the original exhaust. This is the adapter pieces as well there. And there's the exhaust, or the muffler, excuse me. But he's gonna tack it a little bit more to get it a little better here. What you guys think, chat? Pizza with no cheese. What's your opinion on that? Oh, your boy just burnt himself. But yeah, comment down below, y'all. Pizza with no cheese, yes or no? I say nay. Cause it ain't pizza no more. It ain't pizza. Oh no, definitely not. No sir. No sir. No sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
No sir.
Yeah, pineapple does go on pizza. It does. In fact, it go on pizza. Okay. So what would you like? No. See, the thing is.
I'm looking away from it. Do a nice little panel of the Alright guys, just a little update after some welding here. It's looking pretty good so far, you guys. Look at that. Still got a little ways to go, but your boy Alex here, man. Hey, put in that work. Yes, sir. Red hot. Red hot. Alright guys, there she is, fully welded together. Let me try to flip this around for y'all. Look at that. Nice. Looking good. Looking good. Don't forget your protection, ladies and gentlemen. Always wear your protection before doing these types of activities. go. There we go.
That's a great song. I'm so icy.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment you've been waiting for. The finished exhaust.
This nigga.
Hey, get out the fucking way. Boom. Look at that. Fully custom built. Shout out to O'Reilly's for the adapters and everything we needed. But that's just the for now tip of the exhaust. But eventually we'll show you guys what he's gonna do once he does it. But this is gonna be good enough for now. Let's hear how this sucker sounds, huh? This is nice. I got it, that bitch backfired just by doing nothing. Shit, kind of scared the shit out of me.